everybody. Today is December 6th, and we just had the NFP report. And on this morning's note, I mentioned that trading inside value area for yesterday's session triggers the value area rule, which says that we're likely to test value area high, and very quickly we moved almost there. A couple ticks ahead of that we sold, but we didn't come out yesterday's value yet, so I'm thinking that we're still gonna get another push to try to test that. And I said the same thing for if we get below this yesterday's low, right? We have a gap pending here, and we have value area untested value from this day, which is the 3rd of December. So in the case that we fill the gap and accept below 60.65, then the value area rule should trigger on the other way, right? So testing, accepting here, then moving through the other side of value to 60.54. The only thing about the short side is that we have November's high at 60.60, and we have this high volume node. So we could hit that and bounce from here and get back to the upward distribution. So, watch if we fill the gap, watch for this to be support, and if we are not able to come back into the upper distribution, then look for a value area sweep through the low side of this range. And then we have some support here at this low volume area that we tested a couple times. But so far, bulls are still in control. We have another bullish imbalance from this whole range that targets 61.19, and for NQ, for NQ is at 21.648. Basically, you can see the volume is building at the top of this couple days balance, and we have a nice excess to the downside, so looks like it wants to continue higher so far. Having said that, order flow is king, and anything could happen. And today we also have some Fed speaking at 9:15. We have University of Michigan sentiment at 10 a.m. Some more Fed speaking throughout the day at 10:30, at noon, at 1 p.m. So we still have room for moves that come out of nowhere, triggered by, well, not out of nowhere, but that come out of triggered by Fed speaking and by news. And also we have rollover that's gonna start. It's already, it's starting now, right? But there's a little bit of volume now in the buy contract, in the March contract. We only have 2 weeks left on this Z contract, so price action could get a little weird for the next couple of weeks, so be mindful of that. If you see just like sweeps just come out of nowhere, that's probably related to rollover, because traders are forced out of this contract and they have to buy into the next one, if they're short, they need to roll their shorts, etc. So just keep an eye on that. Crude oil is trying to break below this range. You can see that we have a little bit of a double distribution on the overnight session, on the extended hour session. we're holding below this low right here, and we have an untested point of control at 67.20 and a couple of untested lows around this area, the 66.40. So if we, if sellers keep going, I would like to see these two lows taken before we reverse. But we are at the edge of the distribution for the last 20 days, and I'm long bias here because short-term value is up here at the 69 area. So I took a long this morning. My stop is around here, around 66.50, just to give it some room, and I'm targeting the 69 area. We need to get now above this low volume area, 67.75, I would say. If we hold above that, then chances are that we go back to that 69 area. You can see that there's going to be a little bit of a hurdle right here at 68.45-ish. But once we fail to break below, the chances are increase to get back to the middle. And gold still in the same area. 26.64 continues to be a magnet. We try breaking below, and now we're bouncing back. Likely gonna come back to this and test the upper side of this range. Okay, an update on our charity account. There's no update. I didn't trade it yesterday. I was out during the morning, and then the day was a little choppy, and I didn't see any good opportunities. So we haven't traded it yesterday. We had a few losses in a row. So let's see if today we can get back into the groove of things and make some more money on that account. All right, good luck everybody, and have a great weekend, and I'll update on the other account as soon as we trade it.